Wondering what I made here? Well, I'm going to show you in a minute. And there we go again, busy as ever and happy as a pig in shite in my new workshop. I'm delighted to show you how I made the St. Patrick's float for the St. Patrick's Day parade this year in Dundalk, and this is how I made the front bit. Well, ta-da! Loads of kringles and swirls. Now we're going to do the whole lot again with the router on both sides, and then we give it a quick sand. And then we are done with this bit. And it just needs to be painted and installed. Well, I better get at it. So here I made the back for the float. And as you can see, it is the shamrock I picked as a symbol for St. Patrick's Day and for good luck, and as a kind of like as an end piece for it. And it's the most intricate and the most ambitious cutout I've ever done with my jigsaw. Because as you can see, the lines are very close together, and the parts of the wood that are connected are very small. So there was a good chance that it just all falls apart once it's done. But I made it work. I chose the material right. I chose the thickness of the material right. I had a good think about how to cut, what to cut first, how to cut it, where to put my starting points, and it just worked, and I'm really, really proud of it. Looks like I snailed it! Ta-da! And here you can see how I put up all the little shamrocks, and there's also one 4-leaf shamrock in it. And if you can find it, you get an extra bit of luck. Paul was so kind and painted all the different flats for me, and he also helped me assemble this on this great float. As ever, it's a pleasure to work with Paul. Without his support, a lot of projects might not work out as well as they have or look as good. He always is helping me in the background and supporting me, and I'm really, really grateful for that. And it's so much fun to work with him.
St. Bridget's pipe band were among those entertaining the crowds, and floats made from recycled material showcased the urban green theme.
I would like to seize the opportunity to thank Joachim from Cologne and Luke from County Cork for always watching my videos and encouraging me to make some more. Thank you! See you soon!